In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can put your PS5 in rest mode from the app. And if you're looking for discounts on PS5 games and accessories, you can check out my affiliate links in the description below. So without any further ado, let's get started. So first, you have to open the PS5 app and then tap here and then play any game. Now here you have to tap on download the PS Remote Play app. If you have not downloaded, you will need to download. So I have not downloaded it, so I'm gonna download the app. So tap here to download. So now once you have downloaded the app, open the app, tap on sign in to PSN. Then I'm going to tap on confirm and continue. Then tap on go to Bluetooth settings and turn on Bluetooth, and then go back, and from here select PS5. Then make sure you have enabled the remote play on your PS5. So to make sure you have enabled remote play, to check, go to settings, then go to system, and in system here go to remote play and make sure that you have enabled remote play. So we have enabled the remote play, so I'm going to tap on OK. Then it will start to connect, so wait for it to connect. It might take few minutes to few seconds. So after around a minute, it is showing me a remote like this. So using this navigation keys, press the down navigation arrow, then press the right side, and you have to go to this power button and then click X, then press X on enter rest mode. And so this is how you can put your PS5 in rest mode from the app. Thanks for watching.